start up with the loudest exhaust possible for the V10 Audi R8 in 3, 2, 1.
It's literally spitting fire! Oh my god!
What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the Audi R8 rebuild. As you can see here, we got 2 big boxes full of parts to get this build going. And luckily, Anthony is here again, day 2, working on some cars.
We're gonna be disassembling some of the items. Gotta take off the heat shield. Hopefully we don't find any bigger problems behind that. I don't think we will. And then the exhaust comes off because we have couple things planned for that, but not finalized, so make sure to leave comments down below.
I can't wait for that. Literally nearly open headers. I guess still the catalytic converters are built into the headers, so it's not fully straight pipe, but this is as loud as it can possibly get. So we'll see if it's too loud and we want to quiet it down with an exhaust. So comment down below what you think once we do a startup, once the exhaust is off. And also the window, as you guys know, this thing busted out and it left shards of glass all over the interior. One fun fact, I was cleaning out the seats with some conditioner, just cleaning them up, no big deal. I already got most of the glass shards out. Well, I missed one and it sliced up my pinky. I'll go ahead and play that clip now. Well, I was just cleaning the seats and a glass shard sliced up my pinky. Christian already pulled it out and I've been holding it, so I guess it stopped the bleeding a little bit. But look at this, my pinky, it starts just bleeding out.
Was not expecting that while you're just vacuuming out.
So yeah, that was not fun, but now the interior is 100% good to go, pristine, but we still need the window, and it just so happens that I believe a window is in this box of parts. So let's get opening them up. You guys love unboxings. Boom, boom, boom. So as you guys know, we bought this car rear-ended at auction for a steal of a deal. Comment down below if you want to hear how much we paid for this car. Let's just say it costs less than a new Chevy Suburban. We got a great deal on these parts. Oh snap, there it is. Shattered. Yeah, do not break it. It made it 1,000 miles here. So we got a great deal on these parts from the guys over at Prime Cuts Chop Shop. I'll throw up their Instagram. He DM'd me saying, hey guys, I saw you're looking for facelift R8 parts, and I said, yes, absolutely. So it just so happens he's parting out a V10 facelift car and supplied us with a great deal on some parts. Look at that.
So should be a rear header panel.
What is that? Oh, I forgot about that. Oh yeah, look at that.
Go right there.
Sweet, and the taillight.
Right here.
Oh, this is awesome. We are hitting the ground running with this build. I don't even know what's in that. This is just what we needed. Because if you guys remember, Vlad and I got the old crash bar off, but the crash bar mounts, which go right here and bolt up to the main frame of the car, got busted. So, and while we did get a great deal on these parts, these things are not cheap. This taillight alone was $1,000 used. Of course, because it's a facelift model, it's very hard to find, but look at that beauty.
Oh, much better.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what we needed. Bingo! But this new from Audi, oh my gosh, probably 2-3 grand maybe, I don't know, if it's $1,000 used. So we're saving money left and right. We're gonna need to start up the car, so we'll get one last startup ever with stock exhaust, because this is not going back on once we take it off. It's all bent up anyway. So we're either gonna go leave it like this and just do straight pipes, or maybe do a resonated setup, depending on what you guys want. So. And bingo. So that was the last startup, completely stock exhaust. Yeah, it's way too quiet. We're definitely gonna do it, but you'll see once we take off this entire muffler section, it is going to be so loud. Whatever works. All right guys, we're due for an update. So Christian and Anthony have been hard at work back here. Look, they got this whole thing torn apart. Christian, so did you kind of underestimate how difficult it would be just to take off an exhaust?
Yeah, we thought that we could just get to it by taking all this crap off, but then it seems like we need to go more through the air boxes, under the air boxes to get up here.
Snap, check that out. So Anthony and I were working on the door panel here, and wow, there it goes. It's off, because as you guys remember, the window completely shattered. So we need to replace the window, and no glass shards to be found. So obviously they are inside the door. Oh boy. Time to vacuum up thousands of glass pieces. Listen to this. Oh my gosh. Progress has been made.
So these are the clamps we need to get to take off the muffler, which is this big, massive box right over here.
That is where our exhaust is gonna end today, right?
That's it.
So we're gonna be coming straight out that, which is basically right off the headers right there.
Yep.
This
Nice
thing's
and
gonna be loud.
There you go.
Aha!
How heavy?
Yes. Heavier than 6 pounds?
Yes.
Look how huge it is. Oh, and by the way, speaking of hidden damage,
There's our crumple zone.
there's additional crumple zone, so that took some force of that impact. Alrighty guys, so we are at LAC, Anthony, Christian here. We just pulled up in the Tesla, so Luxury Auto Collection here in Scottsdale. They are the biggest independent exotic car dealership. You'll see the stuff that they have in there.
This is definitely car lovers paradise with
Yes.
one of just about everything.
So a little break from the R8, so we're gonna go there right after we're done here. Here we go. There you go, there's your tour of LAC. Hope you guys enjoyed that sick edit. What do you guys think? What's your favorite car in here if you had to pick one?
Me, because this is the first time seeing one, probably the McLaren P1.
McLaren P1, okay, that's probably my favorite too. Also, I mean, look at all the McLarens. So you guys comment down below, what is your favorite car in here if money was no object? LAC's always cranking through inventory. They're always getting new cars in and out. 200 and something cars in inventory, which is crazy, but anyway, we have an Audi R8 to fix. I think it's time we get back to the warehouse and teleport in 3, 2, 1. So where is it at now? We got the new brackets on here. Those looking great.
Brackets. We're gonna have to fix, hopefully pop this out.
Right.
For the tail light, and then we'll put that back on.
Okay.
Kind of question mark on the spoiler.
What do you guys think about a carbon fiber wing spoiler on this? Like a GT saw, I think it would look great. That's where we're at back here, but at least we're good to go driving now.
Everything's mostly done in the back. Just gotta pick up a couple of tools for
Yep, that door.
Many hours later.
All right, guys, the final update. Just got the window in, screwing everything together. Man, this was a pain. We had to get all the glass stuck underneath there. Yeah. Christian, how hard was that?
Only because of glass. Literally, the glass took us hours.
The broken glass.
To get the broken glass. To get every little piece out of there. So it was tedious, and you know, a lot of people would have just said, oh, it'll work its way out eventually. But no, it never will. And so we took the time to get every single piece out so we would just do it right, never have to deal with it again.
Wow, guys, check this out. So I just got back, and Christian and Anthony say if I put this switch up, the window will go up. Here we go. Look at that. Boom. You did it. All right, so is it time for a startup? This will be the first cold startup. Christian, are you ready? Like, this is going to be so loud. Okay, the loudest exhaust possible for this V10 Audi R8. Hit it, Anthony. Holy crap, we just turned it off.
So off camera, there was flames coming out.
Oh my
I ran to the car
gosh.
and turned it off, but
It was idling flames.
I don't think we can drive this.
Why would it do that? It just started up and they're already red hot.
Idling flames coming out.
What
straight
the
through
heck?
here.
I literally just turned off the camera and then Christian ran back here and he's like, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
My guess, maybe since the car was cold, it's trying to heat up the cats for emissions.
Yeah, which is the 30-second startup. Okay, we're gonna push it out so that we don't light anything on fire. Oh, what have we done? This thing is as loud as it can get now. That's loud.
Day 2.
Good morning, guys. Day 2. We are ready to put the R8 to the test, get it out on the street, see how loud it is on the street. I think it's gonna be too loud, but once again, we're gonna do a startup, and Christian and I are gonna see if it starts shooting out flames again. I kinda hope it doesn't. Christian, get that fire extinguisher ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shoot, there they are. There it is. It's literally spitting fire. Oh my God. No, it's fine, it's fine. Give it, what the heck? Okay, so it's weird, but on a warm start, it won't do that. But it kept doing it.
Yeah.
Even after the cold start. Oh, what? Okay, see guys, we weren't kidding. It's literally shooting out fireballs. Okay, let's do it again, Anthony. Hopefully it's warm start and it doesn't catch on fire again. Gas station's literally right up here. We're in Mexico, so it's like fine to do this. This makes no sense. Why is 91 in the middle? It should be on one side, but thank you.
All right, Jeffrey, first time driving the R8.
It's so loud. Sounds good, but man, we need that exhaust on there. So you guys got to comment down below whether we should just do an X-pipe section or do like a valved one with resonators so that it's kind of quiet when we want. I think a valve system would be good. Alright, there you guys have it. Part 2 of the Audi R8 rebuild video is now complete. So be sure to comment down below, what exhaust system should we go with? Should we go with a valve system that has like mufflers, resonators to quiet it down and smooth it out just a little bit? Or should we just throw on an X-pipe, call it a day and make this thing loud? So I want to hear what you guys think about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. And while you're subscribing to this channel, be sure to subscribe to our other 2 channels, JR Aviation and JR Business. That way you'll be entered for free into our Porsche giveaway. Yes, you guys heard that correct. One of you all will be winning our Porsche in about 2 weeks now. We're picking the winner. So if you haven't entered already, all you gotta do is literally hit 3 buttons and you're done. They're all linked down below, so go do that now. And then you'll be entered to possibly win our famous yellow Porsche Boxster. So stay tuned for next video, S600 part 4, I think we're up to. We gotta fix the suspension issue, and then we gotta do a couple other maintenance items, oil changes, things like that. So stay tuned for that video coming next. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Say that it feels right.